becomes a brittle ghost, leaving me like an unwanted host. I am reaching for the heavy draft, while the circle sharpens up a laugh. A soundless riot in my chest, against the humor of the rest. The light begins to lean and sway, as the oxygen just drifts away. They are counting drops and pouring wine, drawing a thick one jagged line between the comedy they keep and the silence where I sink so deep. The walls are melting into gray in this crowded, hollowed out display. I am dying in the middle of the feast, ignored by every smiling beast. The frantic struggle in a bright, vanishing within their sight. The comedy is loud and crude, while I starve for breath and food, falling through a gap in time, a victim of a pantomime. Life begins to stall and freeze, clawing at the frantic breeze. A sudden wooden velvet frame, the only thing without a name. I grip the legs to hold the floor, dragging back the spirit's door. A frantic climb to reach the peak, while my trembling hands are weak. Daylight counting jokes and pouring wine, drawing a thick and jagged line between the comedy they keep and the silence where I sink so deep. The walls are melting into gray in this crowded, hollowed out display. I am dying in the middle of the feast, ignored by every smiling beast. A frantic struggle in the bright, vanishing within their sight. The comedy is loud and cruel, and I starve for breath and food, falling to a gap in time, a victim of a pantomime. I pull my soul back from the edge, sitting on a wooden ledge. The vision clears and colors bleed, stating every desperate need. But the laughter turns to sudden scorn, as if the holy veil was torn. They look upon the scattered glass and watch the frantic moment pass. I am dying in the middle of a feast, ignored by every smiling beast. A frantic struggle in the bright, vanishing within their sight. They do not ask if I am fine, or if I cross the border's a line. They only point at hate and care and scream about the mess today.